Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reopen recently closed tabs in Google Chrome. So guys, if you want to reopen recently closed tabs in Google Chrome, so very easy. If you want to this tab close, click it, and if you want to reopen this tab, so here right click. After click on reopen, that is. If you want to reopen this tab, so right click this area and click on reopen closure tab, that is. Reopen, so click on reopen closure tab, that is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to reopen recently closed tabs in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.